This activity is gardening, and there's lots of types of gardens, like a flower garden, a vegetable garden, container gardening, or tree shaping and landscaping. A good friend of mine who's passed away was Fumio Demura. Every time he came to my house, he called my backyard Little Kyoto. When I trained in Japan, I picked up a lot of habits regarding meditation and surrounding yourself with an atmosphere to meditate. So that's what I do in my landscaping, as you'll see in some of this video. But this year, I was asked to be part of Green Utica's garden tour. And that's quite an opportunity to really show off what you've done. You all have an opportunity to get involved in this next spring. So you've got time to shape in your mind what you want to do with your garden. Vegetables, flowers, whatever you choose. It's a good activity and it will keep you moving. For more activities, go to stillaliveandkicking.org.